Dear students, today is the fourth session of the second chapter, Accounting for Partnership Basic Concepts. In this session, we will take one more problem on preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. We will solve this problem. I will take the problem. I have taken the problem from this book, Accountancy Scanner, second PUC. Question number 5 as per our class, page number 83 from this book, problem number 27. Shiva and Baswa are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. The ratio is 2:1 with capitals of 25,000 and 15,000. You already know capital is not recorded in profit and loss appropriation account. Capital is given for just calculation of interest on capital. 25,000 and 15,000 is the capital respectively. Interest on capital is agreed at 6% per annum. Interest on capital is 6% per annum. That means interest on capital is paid by partnership firm to partners. So it is an expenses to partnership firm. Record on the debit side. So I have taken the format. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31/3/2016. It is given the date here. That is during the year 2015-16. 15 means 1st April 2015. 16 means 31st March 2016. So you have to take 31st March 2016. Year end accounts will be prepared. Okay. So first, interest on capital is agreed at 6% per annum. We will record interest on capital on the debit side. To interest on capital. It is recorded on the debit side because it is an expenses to firm. Shiva, 25,000 is the capital. Interest is 6%. Baswa, capital is 15,000 into 6%. $25 into 6%, 1,500. 15,000 into 6%, 900. This is the interest on the capital. Now go to the next one. Baswa is to be allowed a salary of rupees 125 per month. See, in the book it is given annual salary of 1,500. In the book it is given annual salary. Annual means 1 year salary of 1,500. But I have changed this adjustment. I have converted this adjustment from annual to month. See how it is given. Baswa is to be paid a salary of rupees 125 per month. Suppose in the examination, if the problem given annual salary, you can take it directly. You can take it directly here. Okay, because the accounts will be prepared annually. 1 year accounts will be prepared. If the salary is given annually, you can take directly. If the monthly salary is given, then you have to multiply. See here, Baswa is to be allowed a salary of rupees 125 per month. 1 month salary is 125. 125 per month. 1 month salary is 125. When per month salary is given, you have to multiply by 12. When annual salary is given, you can take directly. Okay, this is the difference. So I have shown both per month salary as well as annual salary in this problem. Keep in mind, when annual salary, suppose annual salary 1,500, take directly. Per month salary is given 125 per month. If it is given, if this type of adjustment is given 125 per month salary, you have to multiply by 12. Salary is paid by partnership firm to partner. Record under debit side. Whose salary? Baswa. To Baswa salary. Suppose if it is given per month in the examination, 125 per month into 12. It comes to 1,500. If it is given annual salary, take directly. If it is given per month salary, then multiplied by 12 and take it in the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Salary is over. During the year 2015-16, they earned a profit of rupees 10,000. So this year 2015-16, 1st April 2015 to 31st March 2016, they earned a profit of rupees 10,000 as per profit and loss account. Okay, that profit you have to record on the credit side. By profit and loss account, net profit 10,000. Now continue. A provision of rupees 2,000 is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. So commission is paid to the manager. Who will pay the commission? Business will pay the commission to the manager. It is also expenses to business, record on the debit side. To manager commission. How much? 2,000 rupees is the manager commission. Okay. Next. Interest on drawings, Shiva 1,500, Baswa 1,000. Interest on drawing received by partnership firm from partners. It is an income to business, record on the credit side. By interest on drawings, Shiva 1,500, Baswa 1,000. They have recorded all the entries. First, ratio is 2:1, capital is 25,000 and 15,000. Then interest on capital 6%, recorded on the debit side. Salary 125 per month, recorded on the debit side. Then profit 10,000 rupees during the year 2015-16, recorded on the credit side. Then commission to manager, it's expenses to business, recorded on the debit side. Then interest on drawings, it is an income to business, recorded on the credit side. Okay, so we have completed the problem. Now just see the total. 12,500. 12,500. 12,500 minus expenses. Minus 1,500 minus 900 minus again 1,500 minus 2,000. Balance is 6,600. So this balance is taken as a remaining profit to profit transfer to partners capital accounts, Shiva and Baswa. 6,600 is divided in the ratio of 2:1. Shiva ratio is 2. Total is 3. Baswa ratio is 1. Total is 3. So divide in 2/3, 1/3. Shiva will get 4,400, Baswa will get 2,200. Okay, this is the problem, profit and loss appropriation account. Just in this problem you have one difference, that is I have changed the annual salary into monthly salary. You keep in mind, if it is given monthly salary in the examination, then you have to multiply, you have to take the salary into profit and loss appropriation account by multiplying with the 12 months. Okay. Then you have one more problem you have to work at home. Okay, I will give the question number and I will explain you the problem. There are 3 partners in that problem. Question number 6, homework, page number 84 in this book, and problem number 29. I will explain you. ABC set up partnership firm on 1st April 2017. Okay, you have to take for 3 partners. Here we solve so many problems of 2 partners. You have to do the calculation for 3 partners. There are 3 partners here. They contributed rupees 1,80,000 and 60,000. Their capital is 1,80,000 and 60,000. By taking that capital, you have to calculate interest on capital. As per their capitals, and agree to share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. 3:2:1. 3:2:1 means you have to divide the profit among three partners in the ratio of 3:2:1. 3/6, 2/6, 1/6. A is to be paid salary of rupees 1,500 per month. See, A salary 1,500 per month. You have to take A salary on the debit side by multiplying in 1,500 per month. 1,500 into 12 debit side. Then B commission of rupees 10,000 per annum. B commission is 10,000 per annum. Per annum, 1 year commission. Okay, take on the debit side. B commission 10,000. Then it is also provided that interest is to be allowed on capital at 6% per annum. Interest on capital 6% per annum. Record on the debit side. Interest on capital, A capital 1 lakh into 6%, B capital 80,000 into 6%, C capital 60,000 into 6%. Then the drawings for the year A 10,000, B 8,000, C 6,000. Drawings 10,000, 8,000, 6,000. Don't record drawings. Drawings is not recorded in appropriation account. Interest on drawings ABC 500, 400 and 300. Interest on drawing received by partnership from partners, record on the credit side. A, B, C. Interest on drawing 500, 400 and 300. The net profit as per profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2018 was rupees 70,000. Net profit as per profit and loss account is 70,000 record here. So net profit 70,000 here. Interest on drawing ABC. Interest on capital ABC, A salary and B commission. Then make a difference, make a total of credit side. See the difference of profit, see the excess profit and divide that excess profit among three partners. Okay. So this is the problem you have to work at home. Today, for today's class, this much is enough. So next class we will continue with the guarantee of profit. One more topic is there in profit and loss appropriation account, that is guarantee of profit. That topic will continue in the next class. Thank you.